nango unjere baba kuyere bugisu kairi tukuyera munomada I want you to leave a legacy ngeso ojikolera kwa makale you have a very strong legacy atekenga no mutakulire atina ene ndu kuza mukoti binanu so it becomes very nasty to me and that's what I'm praying that let's angaboli nimbuga na ulile bati ni meeting ina mali itambia akawa sajenga ngo amalile meeting I better come and we first when interface let's sort out this thing out of court
now what you are saying is correct. First of all, talk about legacy.
Yes.
Inzi Masaba did not come out of the blue.
No. That's much I know.
People sat and worked on that institution.
Very well.
And this institution, many people, I keep telling them, but because I'm not an ambitious person, they don't know that I am actually the initial. 2002 bakwikala ina ibukoto on our drink bana bocha madoti. So anyway,
I remember.
So when I kept on looking at this thing, even during Mushikori's time, there were problems. I came flying from Malawi to solve the problem. Then, you people are turning Inzu Masaba into a political organization. And that one, my brother, even if you were if you are turning Inzu Masaba into a political organization, I will fight.
No, that one, I don't think I have that dream.
I will fight. Number that 2, twice.
Yes.
First time,
yeah.
The other 2021.
Yes, I came with some documents and I could
Then I asked you, I said, but you don't have any evidence of an election. You said, no, I'm going to send you the evidence.
Yes.
I waited, it didn't come. I kept quiet. Now, I repeated that sentiment, value. The process you used is wrong.
Yes.
Therefore, how do we move? One, if you remember, I said, one, can you reconcile with your brother? Because you people are both that
one we did but my brother became adamant.
The other thing
he refused. He refused.
Second thing, my prayer to you is, he's too abusive. He's too disgraceful to the rest of us. Masereje is a younger boy. I don't know whether he knows my history. Masereje afumefe mu publiki afuma mu forum, and for me I chose not to do anything on the forum. I just read. Marwa group. How can you call Mulebewase Mukosi Mudoma? As I told you, you can rightly become Umuguga. But can you imagine at your a level of education and the age? Can you level Nabudere, let Nabudere professor of law, Chief Justice Masika.
Banabudere.
Kodovio Wakiro, Bawa Nende, people who sat, then engineer Sauka Machas is not a lawyer. How can you call this a Marwa group?
All are those men of substance.
Hey, got Marwa group. This is a Marwa group. So I kept quiet. But I saw more.
That guy approached me early enough. At attitude, you know, behas. Now it message. I can't. It made my column with the constitution. It is what it has brought us where we are.
Let's amend
it. I will never, even one single day, think of changing the name. No, I must be gazetted and in the Masaba as a cultural institution. And that's exactly what appeared in the Gazette. Now I'm saying those are the things we shall work on maybe in the future. But as of now, it is bad 100%. It must be the one I must use.
Masereje came to my house in 2019. We spent the whole day. And he kept on saying the constitution, I'm not mad, you're a lawyer, you help us. Go and propose amendments. But don't tell me this is a sham, this is a sham.
No. This is not Marwa Group. Well, if you look at my rights up to him, condemning that narrative of his.
Anyway, because I'm not alone, I am actually just the fourth from the front. They are hurt by what is going on. They are
but it should not be Maserages to be turned against me.
Well, no. You see, this is now when you say let us talk, I cannot say yes tomorrow let's talk. I need you. You give me a proposal. That yes, we agree things have gone wrong here and there. We have seen your legal notice. We propose to move as it follows. A, B, C, D.
Yes.
When I receive it, I will call my team. Because this is a case which SACWA cannot fund alone. It's a lot of money going to court today. And I'm very transparent, as you know me.
I know.
So, minister on the 8th of March 1995, I said, I'm the only person who refused the ministerial post in this country. Yes. So, a proposal.
Yes.
You have 14 days from the date we served you. You can do things now. In the good name of Masaba.
That is very good.
If we agree on what to do from that point forward, then we can look at the case of withdrawing. But if my team and myself realize that you are still playing the same old game, no.
Because you see, there's no old game there for me. I was thrown in this thing using the same constitution using Yamata, and I have not deviated even one single. Now you another pigeon constitution. This is the constitution I'm using, and I'm following the law to the dot.
Okay.
Bango kolabit, in the Kukaika
I'm glad you have called.
Yes.
We are one person.
Yes.
In fact, those who don't know the reason for Inzu Yamasaba, the reason why we established Inzu Yamasaba was to remove alienation after political divisions.
Yes.
He foresaw this thing and wrote it to the chairman of what? Of Bugisu by then. Soroko ni nani? Nimbali. Bali could dividing day by day. Today it is that, tomorrow it will be something else. And he was right.
And it was very, very
Sironko
right.
now is Bulambuli and Sironko.
And they want even to divide it again with
Mbale became Mbale and Manafa. Manafa became Manafa and Bududa. Manafa again became Manafa and Misidwa. So that was the core that we, Feba Masaba, united by our Imbalu and our characteristics, by the way, plus our coffee, plus our cotton, Madote, let us
our environment.
Let's keep this thing together. But now you see Masereje saying Babu Yabaze. I don't know who Masereje is.
You see, Masereje is quite theoretic in his conversations. Katane ye amba atumanya kuba lawyer niyo no kuba umanye buli kitu. No, we have better lawyers than him. Katano wabone se kajira katarike kubule kitu cyo angana ulabyo Masereje aganika gati. I went and consulted our reputable judge Mugosi David Wangutus. Said what you do, because I am in a lacuna now. On a baganica benabin. Ingano kuye defa baba. What all man on Masab. You look at our constitution.
Yes.
We're looking at the Cultural Leaders Act. We're looking at even the national constitution here. This cultural institution and traditional institutions.
Exactly.
It's a way. Coming up with an opinion. Somebody is sitting in Kampala alikuwa bishinga bisi batu at a Marwa group. And the Marwa group could not have been recognized as a cultural institution, and moreover gazetted.
Yes.
Eh? So that type of thinking should be helped by a legal mind and well versed with this. So they were looking at those documents, and I think they are sitting on the 10th. Said you go ahead and look at those documents and advise us, but not touching that you are going to amend the constitution. You cannot amend it.
You can't amend the constitution outside its amendment terms.
Yes.
You can't.
Because it has got those strings attached to it.
Yes.
So, Katano, Ngabona nakola kyabona to now I've deflated his egos. This arranged about to sham bina. But in principle, I don't. Wakati bakoni basa kuluna. I one time blast him. I cannot entertain such derogatory language. Yes, we're going to go back to some of them taught you. Katano, instead of saying let's move slowly, you cannot go in the press at Marwa Group.
Oh man,
let me work on that proposal.
Work on it. Me, I'm available. I'll present it to because as I said, I am on the front, but I'm not alone.
Yes.
Do you think involves many people from India Mwambu?
Yes.
From India Yambuya and India Yawanari. They are not happy. Yeah.